The date is the 2nd of August. The time is 3:43 a.m. I am a victim of police brutality. I was passively protesting only, as in I was just not moving. Look at what they did to my wrists by dragging me up by my wrists and my shoulders to get me on the stretcher to take me to the emergency room. From when they were trying to pull. Can you see where the handcuffs created lines on my hands? And when they tried to pull me up so severely, they caused that damage there. And some blood on this one. Yeah, more blood.